You ever notice how some weeks feel like they disappear and some months feel like they take forever? Like, when you're waiting for your paycheck, time moves in slow motion. Every bill feels like it's right around the corner. You're counting days, you're counting hours, you're counting down. But when you finally have some breathing room in your bank account, suddenly, time feels different. A month goes by and you're like, wait, where did it go? Here's the thing most people don't realize. Money doesn't just change what you can buy. It changes how your brain experiences time itself. And today I want to show you the 5 net worth levels where that shift happens. Not the flashy levels, the psychological ones. The moments where your brain stops thinking in days and starts thinking in decades. My name is Rowan, and I spend way too much time thinking about how money changes the way we experience time, freedom, and risk. If you're someone who feels like you're always racing the clock financially, living paycheck to paycheck, worried about the next bill, the next emergency, the next what if, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, most people think wealth is about buying things, but real wealth is about buying time. Psychologists call it time horizon. When you're broke, your brain thinks in days. When you're stable, it thinks in months. When you're wealthy, it thinks in decades. And there are 5 levels where this shift becomes real. Level 1. $0 to $1,000. At this level, time is a threat. According to the Federal Reserve, almost 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. That means time feels dangerous. Every day closer to rent. Every week closer to a bill. Your brain is in survival mode. You're not planning 5 years ahead. You're trying to make it to Friday. Scarcity literally lowers your thinking ability. Harvard studies show financial stress can drop your mental performance by the equivalent of losing 13 IQ points. So when people say, just plan better, they don't understand. Your brain can't think long-term. When it's fighting to survive short-term, time feels heavy, slow, threatening. Level 2. $1,000 to $10,000. This is where time becomes a buffer. If your monthly expenses are $2,500, then $5,000 saved is 2 months of life. $10,000 saved is 4 months of life. You're not just saving money, you're buying decision time. The ability to say, I don't have to panic today. I can wait. I can think. You stop making desperation choices. Bad job, bad deals, bad relationships with money. Time stops chasing you. You start walking beside it. Level 3. $10,000 to $50,000. This is where time starts compounding. Let's say you invest $25,000 at 7%. That's about $1,700 a year, roughly $140 a month. Without working, it's not freedom yet, but it's proof. Proof that money can create time. Your investments start paying small bills, groceries, gas, utilities. And here's what most people don't realize. Once your money covers even one recurring expense, your brain shifts. You stop thinking, how much can I earn this month? And start thinking, how much can my money earn this year? This is where patience is born. This is where people start thinking in years, not weeks. Level 4. $50,000 to $250,000. This is where time becomes leverage. At $100,000 invested, 7% gives you about $7,000 a year. That means your past decisions are paying your future self. You begin to plan in 5-year blocks, 10-year visions. You invest in skills. You build things that take time to grow. You stop asking, what pays fast? And start asking, what lasts long? Waiting becomes profitable. Level 5. $250,000 and beyond. This is where time becomes freedom. At $500,000 invested, you're earning around $35,000 a year passively. At $1 million, around $70,000. Now you're not working because you have to. You're working because you choose to. You stop asking, how much does this pay per hour? And start asking, is this worth a year of my life? Time becomes your most protected asset. Bad jobs feel expensive. Stress feels costly. Toxic environments feel like they're stealing years from you. And that's the real definition of wealth. Not money, not status, not stuff. Time ownership. So let's recap. Level 1. Time is a threat. Level 2. Time is a buffer. Level 3. Time compounds. Level 4. Time becomes leverage. Level 5. Time becomes freedom. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth is not about getting rich fast. It's about staying in the game long enough for time to switch sides. Every dollar you save, every month you invest, every impulse you control. You're not just building money, you're building future years, future choices, future peace. And one day you'll wake up and realize the moment your money started working was the moment your life finally slowed down. If this helped you see money differently, hit the like button so more people can find it. Subscribe if you're building a future where your time belongs to you, because real wealth isn't having more things, it's having more tomorrows.